How does squamous cell carcinoma metastasize? Have you ever wondered how squamous cell carcinoma spreads in the body? Understanding this process can help us grasp the seriousness of this type of skin cancer. Squamous cell carcinoma, often abbreviated as SCC, can metastasize through a multi-step process that involves several biological changes. First, SCC begins with local invasion. The cancer cells invade surrounding skin layers, aided by molecular changes that allow them to detach from the primary tumor. For instance, a loss of adhesion molecules weakens the bonds between skin cells, making it easier for malignant cells to penetrate deeper tissues. Next, we have a process called epithelial mesenchymal transition, or EMT. This is where cancer cells gain new traits that make them more mobile and invasive. By acquiring these mesenchymal characteristics, SCC cells can migrate away from the primary tumor, either as individual cells or in clusters. This enhanced mobility is crucial for their spread. Once SCC cells have invaded locally, they can enter nearby lymphatic or blood vessels in a step known as intravasation. To survive in the bloodstream or lymphatic system, these cancer cells must withstand physical stress and evade the immune system. Interestingly, they often travel in clusters, which can provide them with a protective advantage. SCC typically spreads through the lymphatic system to regional lymph nodes. In-transit metastases can occur, which are deposits found between the primary tumor and the closest lymph node. Research shows that about 78% of metastatic SCC cases involve lymph node metastasis, while 36% show in-transit metastases. From the lymph nodes or bloodstream, SCC cells can reach distant organs, such as the lungs and bones. This process, known as extravasation, allows them to exit the vessels and from new tumors. Successful colonization in these new sites requires the cancer cells to adapt to their new environment, evade immune responses, and interact with local cells. The tumor microenvironment plays a significant role in this process. SCC tumors can secrete factors that suppress the immune system, making it easier for the cancer to spread. For instance, tumor-associated macrophages can adopt a phenotype that supports tumor growth and metastasis. Certain risk factors can increase the likelihood of SCC metastasizing. Larger tumors, those located in high-risk areas, and immunosuppressed individuals, such as organ transplant recipients, are at higher risk for developing metastatic SCC. In summary, squamous cell carcinoma metastasizes through a series of biological steps, starting with local invasion, followed by migration through lymphatic or blood vessels, survival in circulation, and colonization at distant sites. Understanding these mechanisms is vital for prevention, early detection, and treatment strategies aimed at maintaining healthy skin and managing SCC progression. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized medical advice regarding skin cancer and its treatment options.